AI is writing millions of lines of code every single day. ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, these tools are revolutionizing how developers work. But here's the problem nobody's talking about. AI-generated code is riddled with bugs, outdated libraries, and security vulnerabilities. An award-winning study from NYU's Tandon School of Engineering just proved this. Today, I'm showing you a tool that could save your business thousands of dollars and countless hours of debugging. Meet CodeSpy.ai, a specialized AI detection tool built specifically for developers. Unlike generic AI detectors, this one is designed for source code. It works with Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, PHP, and C++, and claims 98% accuracy in detecting AI-generated code. But here's what makes it unique. It doesn't just tell you if your code was written by AI, it pinpoints exactly which lines were AI-generated, so you know exactly where to focus your debugging efforts. Let me tell you about this groundbreaking study from NYU. Researchers analyzed GitHub Copilot's output and found some serious issues. AI-generated code was often outdated, included errors that caused memory malfunctions, and sometimes even referenced databases that no longer exist. This study won awards and is becoming widely publicized in the developer community. The takeaway? AI is a powerful assistant, but you need to know which parts of your code came from AI so you can QA them properly. Let me show you how this works in action. I've got two Java code samples here, one written by AI and one written by a human developer. Watch what happens when I run them through CodeSpy.ai. First, let me upload this AI-generated code. It's a Mandelbrot set visualization program. See that? The results come back in just 3 to 5 seconds. Look at this color coding system. Red means AI-generated, orange means probably AI, and black means likely human-written. Almost the entire Mandelbrot set code is flagged as AI-generated. Now let's try the human-written code. This is professional code from an open text project with proper copyright headers and enterprise-level structure. Notice the difference? The human code shows predominantly black, with maybe a few orange sections. This is a real human developer's work, and you can clearly see the distinction. What's crucial here is that CodeSpy doesn't rewrite your code. Industry experts agree that humans should fix bugs, not AI rewriting AI. CodeSpy simply identifies where to look, dramatically speeding up your QA process. So who benefits from this? 3 main groups. First, small software consulting businesses. If you're a team of 1 to 4 developers delivering code to clients, this is a game changer. You can use AI coding assistants to speed up development, but now you can quickly spot and fix buggy code before submitting it to clients. The better your code is when you submit it, the fewer revisions you'll get requested. That means more contracts, better reviews, and more revenue. Second, medium-sized development firms. CodeSpy has a pricing plan for firms up to 50 people. Instead of hiring a massive team, you can have engineering managers oversee independent developers who use AI assistants. The product adds accountability and helps catch issues during the quality assurance cycle. Here's something important. Given the growing concerns over AI code, many large software firms are starting to add contract clauses about how much AI code can be used in projects. There's even potential litigation concerns. If you're a subcontractor, you need to know what you're submitting before you send it to your clients. Third, educators and code reviewers. If you're teaching programming or reviewing student work, this tool instantly shows you which students are relying too heavily on AI versus actually learning to code. CodeSpy.ai offers a consultant plan for small teams of 1 to 4 people and enterprise plans for companies up to 50 employees. They also offer a free trial with no credit card required, so you can test it out yourself. Beyond the web dashboard, they've got a VS Code extension, a GitHub app, and even a ChatGPT plugin. This means you can integrate AI detection directly into your existing workflow. The tool scans complete in just 3 to 5 seconds, and remember, it supports Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, C++, and PHP. Look, AI coding assistants aren't going anywhere. They're incredibly useful, but with great power comes great responsibility. CodeSpy.ai gives you the guardrails you need to use AI safely and effectively without sacrificing code quality. If you're a developer, consultant, or engineering manager, I'd recommend checking out their free trial. I'll put the link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've had issues with AI-generated code in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.